Kia ora te iwi. Aira, yes, we are excited to share with whānau the theme for our upcoming Taranaki Iwi Kaupapa, which is going to be a virtual event. Aira, that's right. So Tiripoua 2022 is going to be broadcasted virtually via the Zoom platform. So yes, taking place on 26th of February, so not too far away. So we're pleased to advise our whānau that the kaupapa for Tiripoua 2022 is Taiao Taiora. And how appropriate for that te iwi. So just wanted to launch that out today and just to bring whānau up to date in regards to our kaupapa. We will be launching the kaupapa as we build up to the event. So make sure you keep an eye out on our communication platforms. So we will be rolling those out. I can let you know that there will be 3 kaupapa that will be shared through this virtual event. So make sure, as you can see here down the bottom, happening on the 26th of February, which is a Saturday. It's going to be starting at 10 o'clock, so 10 to 12. Still plenty of time to register, so there is a link within this particular live update for whānau as well. So yes, like I said, we just wanted to keep everybody up to date in regards to the kaupapa, and that the theme, Aira, Taiao Taiora, is going to be the kaupapa for this year. Got some really cool kaupapa that are going to be discussed and spoken about. So yeah, we're really looking forward to, giving Uri an opportunity to be a part of these awesome kaupapa that have been happening back here at home. So other than that, keep an eye on our media platforms at Iwi, and make sure if you haven't registered, head along, complete our online registration form, and make sure that you're ready to roll for the 26th of February. So keep an eye on this space, and we'll see you soon. Moriore te iwi.